Hello everyone, this is Amit Latikra. In this video, I'm demonstrating you how can we calculate a simple interest. So basically, a simple interest, let me use SI for it. We can calculate by taking an input from the user. And input is nothing but the principal amount, rate of interest, and term. So let me consider it as an P, R, and N. And simple interest we can calculate by calculating a formula that is principal amount multiplied by rate of interest multiplied by term divided by 100. This is what basically a simple interest is. Let's draw its flow chart. It's very simple. It is a start of the program, and then we need to take an input from the user. So for that, require input symbol. So let's say input is principal amount, rate of interest, and term. Next is we need to calculate a simple interest. So process block, say calculate simple interest is principal amount, rate of interest, term divide by 100. So this is a simple formula to calculate simple interest, and we need to display it on screen. So output symbol. So let's use display simple interest, and finally stop of the program. So this is a basic diagram. As an input, you require principal amount, rate of interest, and term. Principal might be an integer value, term is also integer value, rate of interest is a real value, so we can consider it as a float. And let's write Python program to take an input from the user. So we require three variables P, R, and N. And let's take an input from the user one after another. So let's use input function, enter principal amount. So here whatever value entered by the user, it considered as a string like this, and we need to convert it into a numerical value back. That can be done using typecasting. So I want it in form of integer. So let's typecast it as an integer value. Similar way, rate of interest. We require again input function, enter rate of interest. This will be the real value. So let's typecast it using float. And finally, term. So let's take an input from the user again, enter term value or term duration. This can be considered again as an integer. So our input is ready. Next is process. So simple interest is nothing but principal amount multiplied by rate of interest multiplied by term and divide it with 100. And finally, let's print it on screen. So let's use print. So simple interest is, and value of simple interest. Let's save this program. Let's check it output. Let's go to the command prompt. Let's use Python command program.python, and here is an output. Enter principal amount. Let me consider 1 lakh rupees. The rate of interest, let's consider 8%, and duration is 3. So simple interest is 24,000. So this is a simple Python program to calculate a simple interest. This is a flowchart. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good time ahead.